Okay, what about the son?
We're trying to locate him. He doesn't have a number where we can get in touch with him. He was previously in the military, and we do know that he has a history of violence.
Did you get in touch with the ex-daughter-in-law?
I called her. I need to call her back again. She had some information, but she said that she was going to find out some more.
It's so strange that a daughter-in-law who lives in another state would be the one that's calling to make this report, not her own son.